Hey guys, there's Qatar flying off in the distance. Qatar Airways is gone back to Doha. In the meantime, that thunderstorm I showed you earlier, let's just say it's growing. Let's just say it's growing. And I'll just grab a focus for you real quick. I'll turn up the brightness so you can see it. I don't know if you can, but I can see the curvature of the clouds. You can faintly see it. The curvature of the clouds make it look like as if it was a cyclone. But this is not a cyclone, it's a thunderstorm. But this is not, this is like it's not a... You playing funny with me, mate? Wait. Watch this. There you go. Just had to trick the camera into doing it. There we go. You can see the curvature of the clouds, and it makes it look like as if it was a cyclone. Except it's not a cyclone. It's a huge thunderstorm, and I think that it's all coming towards us. And I don't know about you, but does it look similar to a supercell? Because we don't normally get tornadoes in Australia. Compared to Australia and the United States of America, you're less likely to get a tornado in Australia, a real tornado in Australia, than you would see one in the United States. It's less likely for you to see an actual tornado in Australia rather than how you would see a tornado in the United States of America when it's the right season for it. But yeah, I think we saw some lightning earlier. I might have caught it on camera. You might have seen it. I can just see... Look how huge... Look how huge and bulky that front of the huge cloud is. It's all huge and bulky. That's a huge front. I bet you even within the amount of time that I would elapse in this video, I bet that we're gonna get at least 1 or 2 bright lightning strikes right in front of us. At least 1 or 2. But there's something funny about it. Every time I'm recording, it's very quiet. But when I'm not recording it, it's active. Like, what's going on? We're in this sort of... Am I living in this sort of paradox where some things are just trying to play tricks on me, but where some things are just trying to play tricks on me and you just want to witness it to the eye without recording it. That's what it feels like. That's what it feels like. I gotta say. I'm trying to determine the direction of the clouds. Are they going... They're heading towards the southeast. So... it's just gonna slide right past. Interesting. So I'll just show you for a quick moment. If you watch the clouds very, very carefully, they're moving towards the southeast. I'm pointing the camera towards the west. Little star over there. And the clouds are moving in almost the opposite direction. They're heading southeast. I mean, you could technically say they are heading in the opposite direction, but the reason I said nearly opposite is because not only are they heading east, they're heading south as well. So, southeast. That's why I said nearly opposite. Hear that? Can you hear that? Guess what? It's gonna rain. You can hear it coming. Now I'll tell you what. Whenever I hear it rain, it's good news. That means you'll wake up to a refreshed morning. I bet it's still going to be raining tomorrow morning. Just a small amount. But, I'll tell you this. It's good for us. It's good for the plants. It's good for the trees. It's good for a lot of things. It's good for the animals as well. They'll get some... If a small ditch fills up with rainwater, they have somewhere to drink. There you go. And I'm literally feeling it right now. I think I saw another lightning strike. All right, the rain's starting to get a bit heavy now. Oh, I can smell tavern food. Yum. Oh, pass me some of them fish and chips, please. I would love some of that. Yeah, there we go. We got the thunderstorm going now. I'll just stand stand right by the door though. I don't want to get wet. I'll just stand right by the door. I'll tell you this though. It's quite interesting weather tonight. It's quite interesting weather tonight, this. Now the clouds are starting to head more towards the south now. That means... should that be another thunderstorm behind that house there, we're gonna get some more rain. Oh yeah, no, I just saw a lightning strike over there. Sorry you missed it though. But I'll tell you this though. At least we're getting some action, of course. There we go. We're getting some more lightning strikes now. They're kind of faint as you might see it, but at least we're getting some more action now. Moreover, it's happening towards the east. But I can definitely guarantee you that by the time I'm going to be lying in bed, all the action's going to be right above my head. I can predict that. If not, out my window. And I'll be hearing loud bangs of thunder as I'll be spectating it with my girl ghost, for whom had filmed all those aircraft in the morning, so feel free to check it out if you want. The goal is 17 views. There we go. Stopped raining. I'd say we got a decent amount. Still kind of sprinkling, but I'll say we got a decent amount. I'll definitely say we got a decent amount. What do you think? I think that's a good amount of rain. But I'm gonna tell you this. There's more where that came from. There we go, we're getting some more lightning strikes now. They're way out behind the hills. But if you can see at least a faint flash in the distance, you're seeing lightning flashes. That's what you're seeing. And I think might get some more lightning this way as well. Who knows? Who knows? What time is it? 11:05. Yeah. I'm gonna stop filming in a minute, cause I gotta get some sleep, and my phone needs charging as well. So yeah, and I might grab a snack as well. Midnight feast and all. If I could describe this storm in 3 words, I would say strange, autonomous, and unique. It acts different to how a normal storm would do it. It's kind of going on its own, and there's nothing quite like it. Alright. Well, I better get going now. I better get some sleep. And my phone needs charging as well. My phone needs sleep as well. Right. So, that leaves me with just this to say. You guys take care. Stay safe out there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. See you all tomorrow.